Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to a new update on Gala. I covered Gala yesterday, as some of you might know. If you don't know, then you're probably new. Welcome to the channel. We'll do a full technical update in this video again. I wanted to make an update because it shows, or at least this morning, I thought there were signs that Gala was pushing up a little bit more, and that it was showing more bullish momentum, which on the 4-hour time frame at this point of time really isn't the case anymore, since this candle has dropped down quite a bit. So now it's just a big wick dabbling in resistance. On the 15-minute time frame, it probably shows some sort of bullish momentum here. Yeah, I never really trust that. It is true, but like I said, I don't trust that. So there's still potential for Gala, and that's why I also wanted to make an update, and that's why I still think it's valuable right now. We will talk about that. We'll talk about the possibility of Gala rallying today. But I must say that there's a little bit less bullish momentum than I thought earlier this morning. Doesn't matter. We'll get into it. Candle closes in about 9 minutes. So we just missed that. I doubt that there's going to be a big bullish breakout with the next 4-hour candle. But we are seeing, or at least this morning also, we saw some bullish momentum from Bitcoin. I do still expect volatility today, so Bitcoin could still try to get some sort of a bullish breakout, which can help Gala as well. But all right, enough rambling. Let's talk about Gala. So when we're taking a look at some statistics right now, what you'll see is that the open interest and the volume for Gala yesterday morning were very high. All right, there was a big increase from this bottom, from around 40 million to 47 million, about an increase of 18% perhaps. So quite 19%, I actually do think. So there was a big increase that was right here, and still it is showing some bullish momentum. The thing though is that Gala naturally has a lot of selling pressure. And most of you know where that's coming from. There's just a massive amount of token inflation every single day with Gala. All right, so if you take a look at the last couple of days, what you'll see is that, if we're actually able to see that, there is like a lot of new Gala is being minted every single day, while not that much Gala is being burned every single day. All right, so that's interesting. Yeah, so here you can see it. The total inflation today is 7.2 million over the last couple of days. Sometimes that's 40, sometimes that's 7, sometimes that's 80. So there's natural selling pressure. So Gala needs a lot of momentum to get some sort of a rally. And purely technically, Gala needs to break at least above 1.4 cents to rally here. If it's not able to do that, it's not going anywhere. So purely technically, that is what needs to happen. And if Gala breaks above 1.4 cents, it can rally up to 1.46 and 1.5 cents easily. But it needs to break above 1.4 cents. And you can find some sort of indication of the possibility of that happening in the open interest and the volume, because that usually shows momentum. But what we're seeing right now is that there is a bit of an increase in open interest for the last 4 or 5 hours, but it's not nearly enough, and the volume is also dropping down. So I would say the only way in which Gala could do something like this is either if all of a sudden the open interest starts going up massively, or if Bitcoin gets a major bullish breakout above 27,100, which both are not the most likely scenario, I would say. So even though this is something you have to take into consideration, and probably it's worth the watch, I'd say it's still more likely that Gala will will hit that resistance, but that eventually it will just drop back down towards 1.3 and ultimately perhaps 1.25 cents. So that's my verdict for now. Briefly, I want to tell you that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, I share my own analysis. I'm a profitable trader, which helps. But you also gain access to my own chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my own trading guide. So if you're interested in that, consider joining. Links will be down in the description. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.